Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about creating temporary table, and here I use the with clause to create that. So I want to run my query. I just type here with, and after the with, so here I just type the name of the table. For example, I write here top 10 product by transaction ID as, and select from, and here I want to use the table price for table price. So under select I want to write the name of columns, and I need specific data. So here I use some functions also. For example, I want to extract the year from date, as year, comma. The next one I want to add product, comma, transaction ID, comma, product price. Yeah, so that's enough. And also I want to order this by transaction ID, order by transaction ID in descending order. Also I want to limit it to 10. So here I just created my table, so I have to put, or I have to close my bracket. So now I want to run my query, so I just come here and run my query. Select, I put asterisk, and from this table top 10 products, so I just type here top, and I have the table. So now I just run the query. Here it is. You can see here I have limited with 10, and also I have this year and transaction ID and everything. So you can see this is my temporary table, so I can run here any kind of query based on this table. For example, I just order this from here, order by product price in descending order, and also I want to limit it to 5 and run. So here it is, top 5 by transaction ID. So that's it about creating temporary table. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.